guys, my brow is already done because it took forever to do my brow, but I always have a link to my brow link down below. I'm going to be priming my eye. I'm going to be using this Urbandecay primer potion, and this one is called Eden. And I'm going to be taking this Smashbox brush. To achieve this look, I'm going to be using this Valuem Makers palette. This one, my transition color, I'm going to be taking this shade right here. I'm taking this darker kind of orange darker shade, this one right here, and I'm just going to be using this Bell blending brush. I'm just going to use that to pack that to my crease. And at the same time, I'm still blending. When I apply, I blend. Okay, so skeptic about this look. It's very simple because we are using not so much eyeshadow. It's all about blending, packing and blending. We cut crease makeup look. Okay, in case you're wondering which look I'm going for, which look I'm doing today, I'm going for cut crease, and same time I'm kind of using my brush just to wing it out just a bit, not that much, just a bit, so it's going to look like cat eye. So I'm going to switch off to another brush. I'm taking this darker shade right here, this one right here, and I'm using the same Bell small round brush to apply that on my crease. And I'm still going to go ahead and apply that the same dark orange you want to apply as my transition color. Once again, this one right here. Loving the look already, although I have not finished, but I'm just loving the definition. I'm still going once again taking that the same shade, this one right here. And then take this shade right here, the next shade beside that color, this one right here. This one is a very dark brown. And I'm kind of bringing in towards my inner corner area. So now I'm going to be taking this brush I use, which is the Smashbox brush, the one I used to blend in my eyeshadow base. I'm going to be taking this shade right here. Where is it? I'm taking this shade right here. This is kind of a light chocolate color. I'm just going to blend out the ash line. Go straight ahead and use that Urbandecay primer potion called Eden. I'm just going to use that to cut my crease, and I'm using this no name brush by BH Cosmetics. I'm just going to just like so. Oops! Bouncing. This is what happens anytime I do a makeup tutorial. I hope it's not happening to me alone. Anyway guys, like I said, I'm just going to cut my crease with that. Trendy right now. Let me use this one right here. It's a very beautiful orange color. Apply it on my outer lid, not all the way to my crease area. Feather it out a little bit, just a bit, not that much, so you don't have to get the color on your middle lid. I'm going to be taking this darker shade, this one right here, the one I use as my transition color. I'm going to apply it at the middle of my lid. I'm going to be doing a wing liner. I'm going to be using this Maybelline Eyestudio gel liner. This is how it looks like. I'm going to be applying the same gel liner on my waterline, and I'm going to use that the same shade, the one I use as my transition color, and I'm going to be taking a smaller brush. I'm just going to buff that to my lower lash line, which is this shade right here, this one. I'm just going to go straight ahead and prime my face. the porefessionl. Why I always forget how to pronounce this word, is crazy, right? I'm going to be using the Benefit porefessionl, the porefessionl matte rescue primer, the clean beauty blender, just to dab that on my face. I don't want to use my hand right now. So I'm going to be setting my face before, you know I always do that. I'm going to be using the Mercier loose setting powder. I'm going to be using the Clinique Beyond Perfecting foundation in the shade Almond. This is how it looks like. This foundation is a bit red for my skin, so I don't know in winter, because I got it in summer. In winter I don't know how it's going to look, because in winter I'm more lighter, in summer I'm more darker. And I'm going to be using the beauty blender to buff that to my skin. I always use a beauty blender majority of my makeup tutorial. So yeah, I'm happy with the foundation right now, because trust me guys, when I got, I was really regretting why do I even got the foundation, but now I can say that I'm loving it. So this is going to be my fall foundation. I'm going to be using often. You are going to be seeing it a lot on my tutorials, because there is no need getting an expensive foundation. At the end of the day, you just don't use it. That's just a waste of coins. I'm going to be using the L'Oreal bronze powder in number 4. This is how it looks like, and I'm taking this no name brush to buff that to my So guys, I'm super duper sorry that my camera stopped. It wasn't recording. Basically what I did, I went ahead and used this MAC Studio Fix concealer. I use it to highlight, and the shade I'm using is NW42. Ahead and use this MAC Matchmaster concealer stick. This is what I use to contour. So to set my concealer from creasing, I'm going to be using this L'Oreal Mercier, the one I used to set my face before. Naked Skin by Urbandecay. Actually, this is a powder, but I always like to use it as a contour, as a bronzer. And this one is in deep dark. I'm just going to use the same brush to contour my nose as well. Now I'm going to be removing the excess powder. I'm using this L'Oreal Mercier bronze powder once again. For blush, I'm going to be taking this MAC blush called Stubborn, this one right here. Before I apply my mascara, I do love to go ahead and set my face with MAC Fix Plus, this one right here, and then let it dry. While it's getting tacky, I'm just going to go ahead and prepare my lashes, and I'm using these lashes from Amazon. Yeah, for mascara, I'm going to be using this Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I'm just going to apply that on my upper lashes and my bottom lashes as well. It's not tacky, I have to wait, but I can't wait. To highlight my face, I'm going to be taking this Anastasia Gleam kit, and I'm going to be taking this shade called, what is it called? It's called Hard Candy, this one right here. And I'm just going to be using this suede brush. Just going to use that to highlight the place. Need to be highlighted. This is a kind of pink highlight, okay? Kind of, not really pink, kind of how do you call it? Peachy pink. For my lips, I'm not going to be lining my lips. I'm going to be using this NYX liquid lipstick, and this one is in number 7. Applying a bit of gloss because it's a liquid lipstick. It looks very dewy right now. but just wait a couple of minutes, it's going to get dry. Yes, now lip liner. And I'm going to be applying this NYX butter gloss, and this one is called Tiramisu, one of my favorite lip gloss. And of course I'm going to be removing the excess. So right now I'm going to be spraying my Fix Plus once again. I'm going to be using this MAC Fix Matte once again because everything is already popping. Make sure you shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it.